Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? Back again for another unboxing. Check this out. Today, we got the Aquarium electric gravel cleaner. You know how you use I got the little tube where you have to stick the tube in the tank and you suck the water, then you kind of clean the gravel with like the manual method. Well, this is an electronic one. It does the same thing, but I got this because the other one works, but I need something that's stronger. It's a little bit stronger. So this one right here, it clean gravel. It changes. You can change the water with it. You can update the suction head and clean with low water level. So on the back it says right here, it has you can use the power switch, or you can use batteries, and you're able to charge it with a USB charger if you use, I guess, rechargeable batteries, I guess. And then right here it has a filter bag, has a swivel, a fixed tube, a connected buckle, water changing hose, washing cup, and adjustable tube. So let's open this baby up and see make sure we got all the parts in it real quick. This is how I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be smart this time. See, I'm gonna have the box here so I can read off. So these the kind of unboxings where I just like to do it like this. You just do it like this. Boom, and you open it like that. So here we go. Let's put that right there. So right here, here's the water tube right here. This is the water. This is the water changing hose tube. It looks like it's 29.53 inches. This don't look like. I guess it's good. I might get a bigger one. It's kind of small. See the holes on it. So there's the changing hose. Here's your power cord right here. The regular power cord. AC 110 240 volts. And here's, let me open this up. Oh, they got you see how they got like a little Christmas type of stuff on it right here. So let's boom. So let's open that up. Get these pieces out. So it's like, okay, right here, here's the adjustable tube. You got, this is the adjustable tube right here. This the one that adjusts, and I guess this goes in here. So I'm pretty sure that should go like that. So you can make it longer right here. So there's the tube right there. Right here, here's the swivel. And then I guess they got this as a filter. I don't know where, I don't think you put. Yeah, I guess, yeah, so I guess that's all it is. I figured it out. That's a little bag and a filter, I guess. We'll figure out how that works right there. And right here you got the cap that goes on the top right here. That goes on the top of the power pipe. This is the filter bag. Clean on the, yeah, that's the filter bag right there. So let's open this up. This is the last piece. This is the main piece right here. Oh, I see how this goes now. This piece goes on here like that. And then you put the tube right there. So right here, here's the main piece. As you see, here's the power switch right here. And here it says the mats. This is the mats. This is the mats that you stick it in the water. Don't put the water above this level right here. And then it has yep. So you can use looks like 2 AA batteries. I think the batteries go. Yeah, you got you put the DC power right here. That plugs in right there. You screw this off. And these look like probably C batteries, I guess. Yeah, what kind of batteries these things use? You can use batteries. Does it say? Does it say what type batteries it use? They look like C batteries though. They look like C batteries. So basically, just winging it, you guys. Just winging it. Okay, so yeah, that piece goes right there. Wait a minute, let me look at. I'm gonna look at the box. Okay, wait a minute, here we go. So I know this piece goes right here. That piece goes like that. I don't know, this bag just, that's crazy. I guess the bag, I figured the bag out. Right there. Then you got the you got the little cup. Where's the little cup part? Oh, it's different ways you can do it. So if you're doing gravel, you do it that way. Remember it said, okay, yep, if you're doing gravel, that's the way you do it if you're doing gravel. And then of course, you know, this piece goes on top like that. Now if you just want to suck the water out, you take this off and you can just suck the water out. So you can use it just to get the water out. So you just use it with the piece just to suck the water out. And then of course, you know, the tube goes right there. Bam. Right on the top there, the tube. And then you can just use that to suck the water out. So if you just want to suck the water. So we're gonna see how this thing works. We're gonna put it in action. And then I'll let you know if this thing really worked there. Alright, you guys, I got everything set up over here. Here's my fish tank right here. Look, I just woke the fish up. You see him back there? Where's the other one at? Can you see him on the top? They down in there. Got my little pump there. They trying to hide. I just woke them up. There go all the fish right there hiding. You see them hiding back there in the corner? They hiding. Got my little setup. So look, here's the pump. I got it all together. So basically, you know, I got it plugged in right here. Make sure you guys got good light. So it's plugged in. And then I got this piece right here. This little bag just goes over the little cap. Screws into that. And then I got the other pieces here. And then the end piece goes right here. And then, you know, when you turn it on. So now we get ready to see. I was hoping, I guess I MacGyver it. I'm gonna figure a way to see. Make sure you fish your fish tank, cause remember, look. See, here's the handle. So remember, you say you don't want the right above the bag. You don't want to get the water just a little bit above the bag. That's as far as you want to go. So basically, when I stick this in here, see where the bag is about right there is as far as you want to take it, right there. And you see the end of it goes all the way down. So I can pretty much be up here with my stick there. So let's turn this thing on and see what we got. Here we go. Here we go. Is it sucking? I don't think it's doing nothing. Look, I don't think it's doing nothing. I don't see nothing going up. What the? Oh, you know what? Oh, wait a minute. It's a button up here. Okay, I pressed the button down. The button was up, so up, I guess that's so. Press down, let me try it now. Not doing nothing. See, look. That's not doing nothing. Wait a minute, you guys. Make sure I got everything right. Yeah, I got it on power. I got it right. I don't know what's going on. Oh, this is for when you have the battery. You hold it when you got the battery so you can just make the contact. But this ain't sucking nothing. Do it. Wait a minute. Maybe I gotta put the water up more. This ain't doing nothing. Let me do something. Let me try it. Let me put it deeper in the water. This thing ain't working, man. This ain't working. Ain't nothing. This ain't doing nothing. What the hell? Man, this ain't doing nothing. This ain't sucking up nothing. Man, this is an epic fail, you guys. Oh my God, another one. This ain't doing nothing. That's stupid. Stupid. This ain't doing nothing. This ain't doing nothing, man. What? Oh, what the hell? This ain't doing nothing. Nah. I'm gonna go back to my old ways, you guys. Where I get the tube and just suck it out. Man, nah. Okay, you guys. Unfortunately, yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm doing it right. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Alright, you guys, I'm gonna give it one more chance. I changed the connection where, like, if it's siphoning water. So I got the hose on it, and then I'm gonna gotta have this bucket right here. So we're gonna see, make sure. Damn, wait a minute, I gotta set you guys up because I gotta hold the bucket. This hose ain't long enough, so I'm gonna hold the bucket up in the air. I'm gonna kind of put y'all at an angle like this, so y'all can kind of see. Let me see if it's working. Let me see how this do. Let me see. Give it another shot. Oh, this ain't working either. Ain't no damn, what the hell? Oh man, this sucks. This ain't working. Hell, it don't work. It don't work, you guys. This don't work. This don't work, you guys. Alright. Look. It don't work. Go back to the old school siphon. This is what I've been using. You got the little pump and you got the little siphon right here. So I'm gonna put a link to this right here. I've been using this for years. So you just use the siphon. This works. I need to actually get a new one. So I'm gonna use my own link. Yeah, this is time for me to get a new one. So just use the old school siphon, you guys. I can't recommend this product. The other product, I can't recommend that. It don't work. So that's on power too. That's not even battery. So that don't work. You won't see a link for that. I'll put a link for the old school siphon there. Just do it the old school way. You know, you dip this in, you start it, and then you just pump, and then it go right in. Easy peasy. So hey, thank you guys for watching the video. We're gonna keep banging with these reviews and unboxings. I'm gonna show you the good and the bad. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.